Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between home cooking and yoga and you. Traditional foods often bring together simplicity, nourishment and a wonderful flavor. Today we are making Ragi Dosa, prepared with finger millets and green gram. Ragi or the finger millets takes care of our iron deficiency and the green gram works with the gut health. Overall, it is a wholesome tiffin you can enjoy for breakfast or even light dinners. So let's get started and check it out. For the Ragi Green Gram Dosa, I'm adding 1 cup of ragi. To the same bowl, add half cup of green gram dal and quarter cup of split urud dal. I'm just pouring enough water. I'm just going to wash it once. Give everything a quick rinse. Now pour enough water to cover them completely and allow them to soak for about 4 hours. Once soaked, the ingredients will be ready to grind into a smooth batter for the dosa. So after 4 hours, you can see it's soaked beautifully. So now I'm going to grind this in batches. So just put 1/2 of the ingredients. To this I'm going to add a piece of ginger that's been roughly chopped. Next I'm adding 4 green chilies. These are small green chilies. A teaspoon of cumin seeds and about 1 heaped teaspoon of rock salt. Just adding a little bit of water and grind this to a nice fine batter. It's ground to a nice fine batter. Pour it into a bowl. To the mixer jar, add the remaining half of the ingredients. Add a little water if needed. There's already little water in the ingredients, so I'm just not adding any extra. And I'm not adding any of the other ingredients like ginger or green chili. The first time that I have added, it's more than enough for the entire batch of the batter. So the batter is ready. There's no fermentation required for this batter. You can just straight away make these nice tasty dosas and you can serve them nice and hot. So if you feel the batter is a little too thick, you can always dilute it by adding a little bit of water. Heat a tawa, maintain the flame on medium. Once the tawa is hot, take a ladle of the batter and pour it onto the hot tawa. Gently spread it around. Just pouring a little ghee on all sides. You can either use ghee or oil to make the dosa. Once it's cooked on one side, flip it to the other side. Now you can remove the dosa from the tawa and serve it nice and hot. Our Ragi Moong Dosa is now ready to be served. Crisp on the outside and soft on the inside, these dosas are easy to prepare. This is a very healthy, protein-rich breakfast recipe. It's great for weight loss as well. Enjoy it fresh and hot with your favorite chutney for a nourishing day. Made with traditional ingredients and a simple preparation, this recipe is a wonderful way to include millets and lentils in our everyday meals. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our channel and share this recipe with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy and stay nourished.